Greetings, weary traveler. Welcome to this humble YouTube channel of mine. You're confused, I know, but don't worry. I'm here to show you the light. This is like my third channel trailer because my old ones keep getting outdated. This one will probably be outdated before too long, but who gives a shit? I have a sore throat, I shouldn't be recording this. First, an introduction. Hi, I'm RRThiel. I like to eat shrimp ramen and play Strider 2 on PS1. My go-to karaoke songs are We Built This City by Starship and Barbie Girl by Aqua. On this channel, you'll find music mostly. That's probably why you're here, if you're not here for my dashing good looks, that is. But yeah, I do chiptune music with Family Tracker. It's pretty cool. I cover stuff from video games. I also write music. It's a mixed bag. I mainly do a lot of Mega Man related stuff. That's kind of my safe zone, I guess. I write music for a lot of Mega Man fan games, so that's pretty cool. Apart from music, I also sometimes post video game related stuff, but that never gets as much attention as my music, so it's neither here nor there. I also shitpost on occasion, but that's more of a Twitter thing. Speaking of which, I also have a Twitter. You should check it out. I'm far more active on there than on anywhere else, so if you really can't get enough of me, which I know you can't, then go crazy. I also have a SoundCloud, if you somehow thought this channel wasn't music focused enough. Also, I have a Bandcamp. There's not really much on there at the time of this video, but hey, whatever, it's all cool. That's it, really. Don't subscribe to me. I'm a wanted criminal, and I will sell your data to the mob so they can kill you. Gotta make a living somehow, know what I'm saying?